Planner friends, this has been a week. It's not been a bad week, but it's been a week. It's been very, very interesting. Hey, I can officially mark this guy off because I did this today, not on Tuesday. I'm not filming this on Tuesday the 4th. So before I get into my plan with me, so we are here in the evening. Oh, I can mark off groceries too. We didn't have school on Wednesday because there was power outage. So there you go. So I had school Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, no school, weekend. And then next week I have Monday off off. We have to make up this day. So we're making it up as an e-learning day on Monday. And then Tuesday I have a doctor's appointment. So like my whole days of the week are off. Do you ever have weeks like that? Because that's where I'm at. So we're going to go ahead and head into our new week. I'm going to film this one a little bit differently. I have ideas for this page or these 2 pages. And because I think it's going to take a little bit longer, it's going to be its own separate video. So there you go. But let's get into the week of, double check because I always get scared I'm going to date it wrong. Should be the 10th through the 16th. So there we go. Oh, and I almost have them all perfectly. I should also tell you what kits I'm using. So I want to use the Reading Royalty anti-kit or journaling kit from Creating & Co. But I also brought out pieces of the Spring Meadow kit that I have left over from Coffee Planner Mom, some spring freebies, the watering cans, the bees, florals. I just have a lot of bits and pieces that I have going on over here. So just so you know, but the main focus, we're going to use this and then build off of that. So I think we're just going to go ahead and put our date dots down. I do officially have a new freebie for Coffee Planner Mom. I will pop it up here while I'm putting date dots down. It is in the Tropics colorway, and it came out super cute because I don't typically go on a vacation, but I definitely have a staycation, bookcation, and home is where I'm refreshed. Home is my happy place. Ooh, that should be, if I'm a PR girl for her again, that should be my next freebie. Home is my happy place. Do I take the 116 off there? I mean, I'm going to get more date dots at some point, right? Let me check something real quick. I think to keep things even, I'm just going to write a 16 because I can. That's what I'm going to do. I like a little dragon reading. He's really cute. Okay, I'm going to double check a couple things to make sure I kind of have the idea of where I'm going with this. I know I want to use the weekend banner, but I've got some other fun quotes too, so. If we use you with some florals over here. So yeah, this is going to be another interesting week, just a little different. There's nothing wrong with a little different. What if we put it down in the bottom like this? That's cute. Yeah, we had a really big, windstorm. We didn't have any tornadoes. That was the week before. But it was just a really, that Wednesday, I woke up and all of a sudden I get a phone call. I've done my morning routine of, my devotion. I've made my breakfast and my coffee. And then all of a sudden I get a 2-hour delay phone call. I'm like, what? That's not normal. So on Monday, we have a we have a vet appointment for, oh, I have one of those. Get that. We have a vet appointment for Jules. It's time for her yearly exam. She's such a cutie. She's such a cutie. I think we'll use just a box. Right there. Then let's put one of the big quotes down here. As long as I don't rip it. That's always the scary part. But again, it's just a sticker, right? If it rips, it is not the end of the world. I'm wondering if I want to put some swooshes with it. Or do I just want to do like, let's do the big watering can, because I've taken this big watering can on and off multiple times. It needs a final spot to rest in. Nope, 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 nope. Oh no, he's ripping. It's okay, it's a sticker, it'll go back together. It'll go back together. Okay. Careful, careful. I know you might not be able to tell that there is a watering can there, but I think we'll make it work. I was gonna put this big castle down here then. That. Yes, yes. Okay. Then let's put reading royalty on Friday or Thursday. Hey. And that guy on Friday. I think we'll just cover this guy up with that washi. Let's see, can we do him here? That's fun. Okay. What should we do next? Tuesday, we have another doctor's appointment. Maybe we use a swoosh for that one. And I pulled out, I had a kit that still had an appointment sticker on it. So go here. It's a morning appointment anyway. I wouldn't say I'm a chronological planner, but I kind of am. Like a lot of times I still put things in that way. We have game night on Thursday. Let's add another watering can over here, just because we can. Just because we can. I'm trying to think. Let me look back at my April monthly. So that's really it there. It is Dog Day on Friday. So let's add a swoosh for that. Let's get my pen out. So this is PZ game night. And it'll be bingo. And then this is dog day. This is when they get their monthly medications. Oh, it's actually the 15th. Will you come up? Let's see. Because we can just swap you over. Let's see what happens. And the crowd goes, use the undo, Holly. Use the undo. I think I can do it, though. I think I got this. Bam. There it is. Undo. Unnecessary for this one. Okay. I did grab some habit trackers because there was a habit I wanted to track. Now I can't remember what it is. Probably has to do with the fact of how this week has gone. It's been such a weird week. Let's do Tell Tuesday. And we'll just put that on top of a swoosh. I think we'll just put some of these icons over to the side like this. I should still have a next week somewhere. Or maybe not. Maybe I don't. Maybe I have to make my own next week. Yep. So we'll do that guy and the purple swoosh. And I'm going to go ahead and put my habit trackers down, even though I can't remember what. It'll come to me. It will. Oh, I remember what it was. It's going to have to do with the other page. So with Pink Zebra, they do a lot of Facebook trainings, either through my team that I'm on or through like corporate. And I don't always catch up with them because of school. And I want to make sure that I take some time this week and actually go through some of the trainings I've missed. I think it's really important, especially if I really want to do things with Pink Zebra, you know? Let's see. I think that's it for like the big things for this week. I do want to leave some space to add stuff in. Oh, my chores. We'll use the spring grass. That's too big. It's too big. Let's use the quarter box. Our chores for this week, this would be so this would be couches, tables, floors, TV, anything else like that. You know what? I'm going to put one more habit tracker down. I'm going to commit to this too. Morning movement. So with Pinksy Bertrini, let's give a 3 to 5 days out of the week. That's going to be the goal. 3 to 5 days. And let's do the same for morning movement. 3 to 5 days. Now with morning movement, I'm going to be specific with this goal. I want it to be something that is not just walking the dog. I am going to walk the dog. As I write down the time of our appointment, I am going to walk the dog, but I want to add some other movement to my mornings. So I think that's going to do it for this week's spread. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I wasn't maybe as chatty as I've been in other ones, but that's okay. Can't always be chatty. I'm going to add a no school sticker. Even though, I mean, there's technically an e-learning day, but it's really, no, we'll just leave it. We'll leave it. It's fine. All right. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you all in the next one.